You have not entered any numbers. Please re-enter your meeting ID, followed by pound.
636-871-93791.
Enter your participant ID, followed by pound. Otherwise, just press pound to continue. Please enter the meeting password, followed by pound.
925555. Oops,
You entered
925655.
925555. This meeting password is invalid. Please re-enter the meeting password. After the tone, please record your name. When you have finished recording, press pound.
Jenna.
You are in the meeting now. There are 7 participants in the meeting.
Hey guys.
Added to the waiting room. You cannot talk or
Okay,
listen
good.
until the host.
Good morning. Phone number ending in 800. Can you please identify yourself?
Yeah, my name is Chou or no, Jenna Chou. I'm a bit late because I have to pick up the medication for me to be able to attend this meeting, reasonably awake. So I needed the medication. I told Jonathan Sheehan already. Hi, Mr. Jonathan, how are you? Okay, I guess he can talk. Yeah.
Okay, so could you briefly, do you have video available?
Okay. I can't get on the video. I've been cyber attacked. I can't get on video. I can only do phone calls.
Okay, so I'm gonna briefly put you back in the waiting room and I will make you want to start the
Sure. Would I be listening?
You'll be in the waiting room for 5 minutes and then we're gonna start, okay?
Okay.
Thank you.
You have been added to the waiting room. You cannot talk or listen until the host admits you to the meeting.
Yes, I am. Hi, Judge. Yes, is this Justice? Is it Justice Douglas?
Yes, it is.
Hi, how are you doing?
I'm well, thank you.
And hi, everyone else.
I have speaking in here on behalf of Skilled Nation League District, and is Gazarian on behalf of the PGG?
Yes, that's correct, Your Honor.
Oh, thank you for presenting. I forgot about you guys. I'm sorry.
And,
Yeah, I did email my doctor trying to get the one. I'm not in the hospital anymore, and I still have complex PTSD, but I see my psychiatrist on August 1st. So I'll try to see her earlier, but I did send a request to my family doctor, and so I'm waiting for his letter. But for now, I am capacitated enough for me to attend this meeting. And I'm hoping before I go public with this that we can come to a resolution and have a mediation done. I'm still willing to do that before I go public. This has gone too long, and it's not acceptable that YRP does not investigate and treat the victims like they're criminals. I'm sorry, I've been wronged by the justice system, and I have to say it out.
let's just hold on. You can pause for a moment. We have to take this a step at a time, and right now we're just trying to get over the hurdle of your capacity to participate in this proceeding. And in furtherance of that objective, we needed that medical disclosure from you. So I think what you said is that as long as we've requested it, you haven't secured that as yet. Is that correct?
Yes.
All right. And when did you make the request of your doctor for that disclosure?
I did it actually back then, but I I became homeless, which you should know maybe, because my mom lied to the police and got me arrested and everything again. There's domestic violence of her abusing me. I am, to the point when she hits me, I have to protect myself. So I'm in a very negative situation right now that I'm trying to get housing and stuff like that. And it all started about 13 years ago, and then severely 4 years ago when 806 Valenta, I don't know her first name, I think I spelled it wrong. I finally got her first contact, which is the email, and I told her, just come clean to me, and maybe we can work on a mediation instead of, having to come to a conclusion by the justice or by the judge.
When do you expect this for your doctor to produce a letter of opinion?
Because that was what I was told, that I had to, by Jonathan Sheehan, that they're waiting for a doctor to write my capacity because I was in the hospital last time.
When do you expect that letter to be available?
When did I, sorry?
When do you expect the letter to be available from your physician?
Well, as soon as possible. I mean, in August 1st, latest. But, before that, if I can get it for you, then I will. But I'm saying for now, if I am a competent person, there is no legal documentation saying that I'm incompetent or incapacitated, to deal with the matter. I am representing myself because I know my case the most. I did my pre-law at McGill, and I am planning on going to Oscar School for LLM. That's my aspiration, to be able to come up with something that helps the victims and all that.
Well, I'm just asking to pause for a moment, if I might, and I'll just invite Mr. Sheehan to offer some comments.
Oh, okay.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning. Thank you.
Can you just identify yourself, please?
It's Jonathan Sheehan, Jenna.
John, and what's your badge number?
Sorry?
What's your badge number?
I'm the lawyer for
Jonathan. Hi. Sorry, I'll call you John from now on. Okay, sorry about that.
Sure.
Yeah, sorry. Hi, Jonathan. Good morning.
Good morning. Go ahead. Sorry. Thank you, Your Honor. So I did exchange a message yesterday with the plaintiff. I resent your endorsement from June 7th asking and pointing out that it requires the plaintiff to provide this letter. And I asked, have you
I thought that my psychiatrist did already because I did ask her.
Please stop.
Sorry. I'm sorry. I tend to do that. I apologize.
Your time to do what the patient needs to have. Go ahead. So, and I had pointing out the language from your endorsement from the 7th, and she wrote back just to state that she saying I want to go to trial. This needs to go to trial, and then listed a potential witness. So if there is a request pending or coming, and it needs more time, I appreciate that, but at the same time,
I really don't want it to be adjourned. Judge Douglas, can I just ask if I can combine this case with the Mario and Dale?
You are muted.
Oh, God, they muted me.
And so there was the, endorsement from Deputy Judge Besunder back in December of 2023, writing to the physician, and then communication from the physician saying, I haven't been given express consent subsequent in February. There's your order in June saying the plaintiff is consenting to get this opinion, and then now subsequently hasn't been provided. And I don't know when that's potentially coming, and if it is going to be coming, that's fine. But perhaps, Your Honor, if this proceeding then could be stayed until there is production of it. I'm not sure, other than potentially adjourning again until say, if she has an appointment on August 1st, and there's going to be subsequent opinion after that. Great, but we've also had
numerous appearances already, and I know she's sort of intent on, taking it to the steps after the ones that I think we have identified that need to be dealt with first.
All right, thank you, Mr. Sheehan. Mr. Darian?
Morning, Your Honor. The PGT takes no position today on the matter. The PGT also takes no position on Ms. Chou's capacity. At this time, we have no instructions to act. We are a non-party to the proceeding. We're just here today to assist the court in any way we can if need be.
And your non-position relates as well to Mr. Sheehan's suggestion that the matter be stayed until mental evidence is produced?
Correct. We take no position today.
All right. Thank you very much, Mr. Darian.
Thank you.
The host would like you to unmute your microphone. You can press *6 to unmute. You are unmuted.
Sorry, guys, for cutting you guys off. I apologize. I tend to do that, so tell me to stop if I do.
Thank you very much. So you've heard comments from Mr. Sheehan and Mr. Darian. In particular, I'd like your position with respect to Mr. Sheehan's request that this proceeding be stayed. That is, it's like it's being put on hold until such time as you produce that.
Right, but under the Mental Health Act and other acts as well, the capacity to consent is not stripped away from me. And that's my fundamental right is, be able to represent myself. And right now, since I haven't found a lawyer, I am representing myself. And I think I know my case the most enough to, as a private investigator also, enough to understand that these cases are involved. You granted the case with Mario and Dale, and it's involved with the YRP. Like, positive correlation. There is, it's there's no doubt about that. That's not even a reasonable doubt. That's just a fact. So, in my opinion, I think that these cases should be combined them all together. So, I'm waiting for your judgment and for your decision for my request. And if I have to make it in writing, I will. And thank you for listening to me.
Right. Thank you very much, Ms. Chou, for attending today and for sharing your position with us. I'm going to grant the request of the plaintiff to stay this proceeding until such time as that letter from your doctor is produced. Then we'll reconvene a meeting, a conference like this again, Ms. Chou.
Okay.
Once that letter is produced, so that we can discuss its contents and map out a plan to move forward.
I know, I don't want it to be adjourned because people are coming into my place and stealing the evidence and hurting me. I don't want that to keep happening.
But Ms. Chou, you don't even understand that this question about capacity is a hurdle that we must get over.
Right, but I am capacity enough unless otherwise said so by Form 1 and Form 42 that I'm incapacitated and under the treatment of, a medical professional, then... Sorry,
go. All I need then is for you to comply with the order that I made.
Okay. So can we adjourn until next Friday? Or next, I can do it for next Tuesday. I can do it for next Wednesday, actually, next Wednesday.
I'm going to stay the proceeding.
Okay.
Produce that letter and file it with the court.
I can't have this stayed because I will file it again. I have enough evidence to say that there was a wrongful arrest, there was a wrongful legal action that was done on me. My fundamental rights were taken away from me, and that is something that everybody should have. I am asking for you not to dismiss this case. This is very important for me, and it takes me a lot of emotional strength to get over the fact that I was in prison for 2 months for doing nothing, and that has caused my complex PTSD to get worse. So I don't need that. I need this proceed to continue. If you need that letter, I will get you that letter, but I can't keep forcing my doctor to produce the letter when they are not,
You are muted.
My decision has been made, Ms. Chou, and as I indicated, and just to be clear, the matter is stayed by my order today, and it will remain stayed until such time as the letter is produced, Ms. Chou, as already ordered, from your doctor confirming your capacity to participate in this proceeding. And upon that letter being produced and filed with the court, I will direct the trial coordinator's office to schedule another to be spoken to event as we are having today, and we'll take the pulse of the situation and decide on best steps moving forward from there. So that's my endorsement, and I'll provide a copy of that to everybody later on today. I thank you all very much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
You have been added to the waiting room. You cannot talk or listen until the host admits you to the meeting.
Oh my god, the song. Yeah, that's so cute. Just
Goodbye.